So you have some leftover turkey sitting in the fridge. Let's turn it into something bold, creamy and absolutely packed with Thai flavor. Today we're making a red Thai curry soup. It's simple, fast and honestly way better than takeout. Let me show you how to transform those leftovers into something unforgettable. It's not difficult or complicated. Let's break it down into 4 sections. Start by deboning the meat. If you're using turkey, chicken, even duck. Prepare the vegetables. You don't have to use what's in this video. Get creative. Use what you have on hand. Then think of your soup base. Is it vegetable stock, chicken stock, coconut milk, or do you have coconut milk powder? If so, prepare that with water according to the directions on the packet. Have everything ready. Lastly, the garnishes or fixings that complete the meal. All that done in a few minutes, let's get cooking. Into a hot pan, heat up some oil, stir fry that red curry paste until the aroma hits you. This is where all the flavor wakes up. This is also known as blooming the curry paste in hot oil before adding other ingredients to release and intensify its flavors. Take a look in my playlist where I have a full tutorial on how to make red Thai curry paste. I've added some chopped garlic and lemongrass for extra flavor. Pour in your coconut milk and let it simmer until it turns creamy and smooth. You see that the coconut milk has split, separating the oil from the cream. This is why in authentic Thai cookery, the splitting of coconut milk is not considered a mistake, but a deliberate and vital technique for a superior curry. The base is nice and smooth and simmering. We will gradually add in the vegetables, and I'm using rice. Rice will actually give more body and a thickness and nice texture to the soup. So onions goes in, and shortly after that we'll follow with the rice. The rice has been washed several times and that goes in. Allow this to cook until the rice is about 70% done. You need to taste it and feel the texture of the rice. After that, let's add in the vegetables one at a time. Let the veggies soften but have some bite. Now we can add in the stock. I'm using chicken stock here. At least 2 cups of chicken stock at this time. And now the star, the leftover turkey. This is the easiest upgrade you'll do all week. Give it a mix, let those flavors come together. Put a lid on it, let those flavors come together. After about 4 minutes, I will add the rest of the vegetables, that is the peppers and the mushrooms. For the shiitake mushrooms, I use the dry version. Soak them in boiling water for about 10 to 15 minutes to soften. It's important to wash them before doing this to remove any dirt like grit. Weight the mushrooms down to submerge in the boiling water. Drain or strain the mushrooms. Remove the fibrous stems, slice them. You can reserve the liquid for the stock. Soaking overnight is a slow process, but if you have time, do so, as it maximizes flavor of the liquid after you strain them. Now it's time for a taste test. That's good. Now it's time for the finishing notes. Remember, I always say Thai cooking is a balance of flavors. So we're adding a little bit of sugar This is to balance the core flavors of this dish. The sweetness rounds out and enhances other ingredients, ensuring harmony in the final dish, just like our Thanksgiving. Now for some lime to provide sourness and a fresh, citrusy aroma. Then some kaffir lime leaf for their unique, potent citrus flavor. It brings a bright, fresh, complex taste. When a musical note falls flat, you tune it. When a taste or flavor is flat, you elevate it. How? I'll teach you a lesson you'll never forget with fish sauce. Haha, you weren't expecting that. Let me tell you something. In balancing Thai flavor, this is one of the main actors. Not just salt, umami, my friends. Now let's add some cilantro. One final taste, and I get to share this bowl with you. The flavor is balanced. Spice, salt, sour, hint of sweetness. Perfect. And there you have it. You can garnish with fresh cilantro, chilies, or crispy shallots as I did. Who knew leftover turkey would become this delicious? This Thai red curry soup is creamy, spicy, and bursting with flavor. Perfect for a cozy weeknight or impressing your friends with minimal effort. Go on, give it a try and turn your leftovers into a Thai-inspired feast you'll want again and again. I like being inspired and love to inspire others. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell and share the video. Thanks for watching.